did you see the notice? 601A is approved.
I did.
I know, so good. It
They're
took
gonna
like,
be so happy.
I know. Like, how long did it take? Like 4 months?
About 4 months, which is typical of
yeah.
the 601A cases right now. So let's call them, and then we'll go over the checklist that the National Visa Center sent to us. And then I'm sure they're going to want to go over some interview questions too.
Right, right. So, I mean, it shouldn't be that complicated. But just because he'll be going out of the country, they get so nervous. Every client, like these kind of cases, they just get nervous going out of the country.
Yeah. So they're going to want to know if the petitioner can come with them. They can be there for moral support, but the officer will not let the petitioner.
Yeah. I don't even think she should go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's tell them then to make sure they look at the calendar for the medical exam.
Right.
And the biometrics.
Right. So the fingerprinting. Right. So he should schedule the medical here while he's here, and so he could call one of the clinics that's listed and make an appointment. And then the biometrics is usually scheduled about a day, I think 1 day before the immigrant visa interview.
Usually a couple of days, yeah.
Yeah.
So they should arrive there maybe 3 to 4 days before the interview.
Right.
And then schedule the biometrics a day or two before.
Right.
And the medical exam.
Yeah. Yeah, they could do it the same day.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how long does it take before the medical exam is finalized?
Oh, it's really quick.
Okay.
And then I think the medical the results are sent directly to the embassy.
Okay.
Yeah, so they will have it.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think okay.
Yeah. And then the whole time that he will be in Mexico, he should be there about maybe 3 days or so before the interview, and then a few days after the interview before the immigrant visa is issued. So maybe 7 to 10 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they'll go over another. I guess they should also bring all the other documents that were submitted in the I-601 waiver, even though that's not going to be an issue. We'll just ask them to bring.
Just in case.
Yeah.
Just in case. But I mean, the most important documents are the original marriage certificate, original birth certificates of themselves, the children's birth certificates. Other than that, at the I-130 stage, their marriage is already approved.
Right.
And then at the 601A stage, their hardship and the waiver is already approved. So it shouldn't be too difficult at the interview.
Okay. But let's just let them know that there could be questions regarding their marriage.
Right.
And maybe the criminal issue that he had.
Definitely.
Just to make sure to bring the criminal disposition.
Right.
And I think that's it.
That's it. The interview should be fairly simple. And the medical exam, I know that clients would always ask what kind of medical exam. It's basically a blood test to make sure that you don't have any contagious illnesses or diseases. So it's a simple medical exam, so that should be fine. Other than that, we just have to put them at ease that everything will be okay,
Okay.